Underbench bike storage solutions for small homes let you conceal bicycles in multi-use rooms while keeping the space functional and attractive. Choose a bench with a hinged lid and an internal bike mount when you need full concealment and theft deterrence. Install a robust wall plate or rail inside the chest and secure the frame to that mount before closing the lid. And always pad the interior to prevent scratches. For quick access in tight spaces, a retractable bike hook under the bench that swings down on a guided arm works well. So drill into a solid joist or reinforce the bench underside and use a slow close mechanism to prevent slamming. A pull-out tray that cradles the wheel gives a low center of gravity for heavy bikes. Fit ball bearing slides rated for the total weight of the bike, and add a wheel chock at the forward edge to stop rollout. If you prefer a minimalist look, a bench with a vertical slot that secures the front wheel lets you slide the bike upright into the seat, and you should line the slot with non-marking rubber to protect rims and to reduce noise. For occasional use or variable bike sizes, a foldable bike stowage system that collapses under the seat is best. Choose a design that locks in both folded and extended positions and test for stability before relying on it daily. Always measure clearances for pedals, handlebars, and clothing storage. Plan for at least 2 inches of clearance around the widest point and prioritize durable fasteners and hardware rated for frequent use. Common problems include insufficient reinforcement under the bench that leads to sagging and damaged fixtures, so reinforce with a plywood gusset or metal bracket tied to studs. Another issue is wheel movement that scratches floors or the bench interior, which you prevent by installing wheel chocks, rubber liners, or a simple strap to hold the wheel in place. A third frequent concern is awkward access and heavy lifting, which you mitigate with ball-bearing slides, gas springs on lids, or a swivel mechanism that lowers the bike smoothly, so handling is safer and easier. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners discover local contractors and practical project ideas related to storage and multi-use room upgrades. Our site also connects contractors with homeowners and hosts an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and compare solutions.